The Rivers State Governorship Inauguration Committee don't talk say the governor-elect of the state, Fubara, don't talk say when them swear him go collaborate with the federal government to improve the economy of Rivers State. Media and Publicity Subcommittee of the body talk this one for one talk with Tory people for Port Harcourt. The group talk say the governor-elect no go fail for him promises to the people, but say he go continue and put more effort as Governor Nyesom Wike do and make the state better. The Committee talk say the governor-elect go continue for infrastructure and go encourage agriculture.
There have been specific pronouncements with regards to trying to encourage a bit more with regards to the seaport, liaising with the federal government to ensure a blue economy. Of course, you know that the seaports are exclusively on the federal government's list, but from what the incoming governor has said, there will be a lot of collaboration between the state and the federal government to ensure a more economically vibrant state. There will also be a focus on infrastructural development that will encourage small businesses, and there is a focus on agriculture as a means for encouraging small businesses. In his manifesto, he has spoken about opening up and freeing up land so that there will be a land tenure that will make it possible for people to turn their land into wealth. I think that those are some specifics that he's spoken about that can help us. So I think that we can say that the Signalai administration promises to provide a lot of economically viable options for Rivers people.
Meanwhile, the chairman of the Media and Publicity Subcommittee, Chris Frimbo, will also be the Rivers State Commissioner for Information, can list out some activities we go share before the inauguration.
There will be commissioning of Rumu Esera internal roads. By 2 p.m., there will be commissioning of Akbabu Odido Link Road. On Friday, tomorrow, by 10 a.m., there will be commissioning of Elekahia internal roads. And in the afternoon, by 2 p.m., there will be commissioning of Okochiri internal roads. On Sunday, new Rivers Legacy Projects one-day open cycling tour will take place on Sunday, 21st May. On Monday, 22nd May 2023, by 10 a.m., there will be commissioning of Basic Medicine 500-bed hostel, Rivers State University College of Medicine Extension.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.